13 or 14.
And then you're getting everything that you see here. History.
Is this happening because we don't have screen?
No, because so if you take a look at it, so first of all, here's all your LEDs, right? That's your status screen. That'll tell you what's going on. Current voltage, retries. When you look at the history, you've got so much more available to you with an app than you do on the screen. You're limited to characters. Right? Yeah. So I mean, if you look at this, see here.
Yeah, I love my Yeah,
You've got number of cycles, lifetime. Yeah, and then so for example, if I wanted to send a copy of a report out to you, you can hit real share just like you normally would, and it'll actually send a full report off that's a full PDF. Put in notes, clients information. You can attach photos. So if you're on a job site, you're seeing problems or sunset, you can take up to 15 photographs. You can put your notes in there, all of that, and then either send it back to your office or send it to our tech support. And then you pull them in, and they've got the entire history, everything that you're seeing, plus the photos. They're seeing that. Same thing as what you're seeing. I mean, that's not something you're going to get from the That's the difference. That's what happens. And the nice thing is as well, because everything is programmable, we're also adding consistent updates.
Yeah, I'm half right.
Yeah, this is great. When you get guys like your age, the younger guys, the techs coming out of school, they
You could walk past the